Welcome ladies and gentlemen to Bubbly Tech. In this video I'm going to be showing you the best filming gear you should buy when starting your first tech channel. Let's get into the video. Now, since this video is geared towards people starting out, all of these products mentioned in this video will be fairly affordable and easy to buy. I'm going to be ranking these products from the ones you should buy first to the ones you should buy last. If you have any suggestions or any other pieces of gear you would like to recommend, make sure to comment down below so other people can see it. Now, let's first talk about the camera. Now, of course, when you're starting out, you aren't probably looking to buy a very expensive camera. That's why I recommend you go ahead and use your phone's camera to film your first videos. By now, pretty much everyone and their grandmother has a phone that can record at least 1080p, which is more than enough to create very good videos. Now, an app I would recommend you guys to download on your phone is the Open Camera app. It allows you to change the resolution and the frame rate of your videos, which will make it easier for you to film B-roll and A-roll. Now, let's talk about the most important thing I recommend you should buy when starting your first tech channel. And that is a fluid head tripod. A fluid head tripod will allow you to create very smooth B-roll, which will make your videos more entertaining and easier to watch for your viewers. It will also allow you to film A-roll, which I'm doing right now. Fluid head tripods are a bit more expensive than your regular ones, but they are definitely worth the money. I personally am using one which only cost me around $50, and it's pretty much like new, but I've been using it for almost 3 years. Since you're going to be using your phone to record your videos, you are going to need a holder for your phone so you can mount your phone to the actual tripod. You can either find these holders on cheap selfie sticks or you can buy them outright from Amazon. They do cost around about $10 to $5, but you are going to need it if you want to put your phone on a tripod. Now let's move on to the audio side of things. In my opinion, audio is one of the main things you should be focusing on when creating YouTube videos. Even if your videos don't look that good, audio will make your videos more watchable. Now, since we are on a budget, I would personally recommend you go ahead and buy a lavalier microphone, like the one I have here, which is the Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone. I did do a review of this microphone if you guys want to check it out, but in that review, I did say that it is very, very good for the price. It creates very good sound quality and it has a 6-meter long cable, which allows you to film A-roll like this, standing far away from your camera. You can also connect this microphone to your camera, phone or PC, which just makes it more versatile and easy to use. This microphone only costs $20 and for the price, you really can't go wrong. Now moving on to the last piece of equipment you should buy. It is the most expensive one, but it will allow you to make videos pretty much anywhere you want. What gear am I talking about? I'm talking about soft boxes. Lighting is, in my opinion, really important to make your video quality much better. I would go as far as to say lighting is more important than your actual camera, because lighting can make your videos look very professional, even when filming on a bad camera. Now, if you don't have enough money to buy soft boxes, you can record outside. The sunlight is one of the best natural light sources you can use when filming your videos, but it is quite unpredictable. So when the sun isn't shining and you want to record videos, soft boxes will help you do that. I'm actually currently using 2 soft boxes to light up this video. Now, I've personally bought these 2 from a local store. They cost me around about $100, but you can find single ones for around about $60 to $50. Now, with that being said, this does conclude my list of the best filming gear you should buy when starting your first tech channel. Of course, after you've bought all of this gear, you can buy specific things to the way you're filming your videos, for example, gimbals or slide cams, but I'm not going to be talking about that in this video. All of the links to the items mentioned in this video will be down in the description if you guys want to check them out. Whilst you're down there, you can also hit that subscribe button and like. Also, comment down below if you enjoyed this video. And with that being said, this was Bubbly, and I'm signing out.